What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development in server-side purposes, in software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on interpreted system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means the prototype can be very quick. Python can be treated in procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python syntax comparing to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new line to complete a command, as opposite to other programming languages which often use semicolon or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using white spaces to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Let's get started with installing Python. Python installation checking. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on your Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following command on the command line. It says Python was not found because Python is not installed in my PC. If you find that you have Python not installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website, which is www.python.org. If you click on downloads, you can see that the latest version of Python is Python 3.9.7. After we click on it, it starts downloading. After download is completed, open the exe file. Don't forget to check Add Python 3.9 to path and click on Install Now. Pop-up will appear. Click Yes. After the installation is completed, click on Close. Now, let us see As you can see, it says Python 3.9.7, which means we have successfully installed Python. Let us see if pip is also installed. You can write pip and press enter. You can see some bunch of code has been printed, which means pip is successfully installed. Thank you. You have successfully installed Python in your PC.